Maximizing RRSP contributions. RRSP contribution limit basics. Contributing 18% of the previous year's income. When it comes to contributing to your RRSP, the general guideline is to contribute 18% of your income from the previous year. This percentage is calculated to help you save a meaningful portion while considering your financial capacity. So, if you earned $50,000 last year, you could contribute up to $9,000 to your RRSP. Where to find your remaining contribution room? To check how much contribution room you have left for your RRSP deposit, you can refer to your annual Notice of Assessment provided by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. This document outlines your RRSP contribution limit for the year, including any unused room carried forward from previous years. Keeping track of your contribution room ensures you maximize your RRSP savings while staying within the allowable limits. RRSP over contributions and penalties. While contributing to your RRSP is encouraged, there's a limit to how much you can contribute without facing penalties. If you exceed your contribution limit, you'll be dealing with overcontributions. It's crucial to stay within the prescribed limits to avoid penalties. If you do happen to overcontribute, you might face a penalty tax of 1% per month on the excess amount. For example, if you overcontributed by $1,000, the penalty for the first month would be $10, 1% of $1,000. If the excess contribution remains the same for the next month, the penalty for that month would also be $10. The penalty is calculated monthly until the excess amount is corrected or withdrawn. This way, you can understand that the penalty is a percentage of the excess contribution and accumulates each month until the issue is resolved. It's essential to keep an eye on your contribution limits to avoid these penalties and make the most of your RRSP savings. Carry forward room for unused contributions. The beauty of RRSPs lies in their flexibility. If you didn't contribute the full 18% in a particular year, don't worry, you can carry forward unused contribution room. This means if life gets in the way one year, you can make up for it in the future. For instance, if you only contributed $6,000 instead of the possible $9,000 in the previous example, you still have $3,000 of contribution room to carry forward to the next year. This feature allows you to maximize your RRSP contributions over time. RRSP contribution deadline. The deadline for contributing to your RRSP is 60 days after the end of the previous year. This means that if you want to make contributions that can be applied to the previous tax year, you have until this deadline to do so. For example, if you're looking to contribute for the 2023 tax year, the deadline would typically be around March 1, 2024. Let's break down how this works with an example. Suppose the RRSP contribution deadline is March 1, 2024, for the 2023 tax year. If you make a contribution to your RRSP in February 2024, you have the option to apply that contribution to your 2023 tax return. This contribution, once reported, can be deducted from your taxable income for the 2023 tax year, potentially reducing the amount of income on which you'll be taxed. Understanding and adhering to the RRSP contribution deadline is crucial for optimizing the tax benefits associated with your contributions. It allows you to strategically plan your contributions and deductions, making the most of your RRSP savings. RRSP matching and benefits. Employer matching in group RRSPs. Many employers offer group RRSPs as part of their benefits package. One significant perk is employer matching. This means that for every dollar you contribute to your group RRSP, your employer may also contribute a certain amount up to a specified limit or percentage of your salary. It's essentially free money from your employer to boost your retirement savings. Employers contribute to RRSPs for several reasons, and it can be a mutually beneficial arrangement for both the employer and the employee. Here are some reasons why employers may choose to contribute to their employees' RRSPs. Employee retention and attraction. Offering RRSP contributions is a competitive benefit that can attract and retain top talent. Employees often value retirement savings contributions as it demonstrates an employer's commitment to their financial well-being. Enhancing compensation packages. RRSP contributions are a way for employers to enhance overall compensation packages without increasing salary directly. It provides an additional financial incentive for employees. Tax advantages for employers. Employer contributions to RRSPs are often tax-deductible for the employer. This means that the contributions can be considered a business expense, potentially reducing the company's taxable income. Boosting employee morale and satisfaction. Providing RRSP contributions can boost employee morale and job satisfaction. Employees who feel supported in their long-term financial goals are likely to be more engaged and loyal to their employer. Aligning with retirement planning goals. Supporting employees in saving for retirement aligns with broader societal and corporate goals of promoting financial responsibility and reducing the potential burden on social welfare programs in the future. Overall, employer contributions to RRSPs form a part of a comprehensive benefits package designed to attract, retain, and support a motivated and satisfied workforce. It's a strategic investment in employees' financial wellness and can contribute to a positive workplace culture. Should employees allow employer RRSP contributions? Pros. Employer contributions to your RRSP are essentially free money. It's an additional benefit that boosts your retirement savings without coming out of your pocket. Employer contributions can result in immediate tax advantages for you. The contributions are not included in your taxable income, reducing the amount of income subject to taxes. The earlier you start contributing to your RRSP, the longer your money has to grow. Employer contributions add to this growth potential, contributing to a larger retirement nest egg. Cons. Some employer contributions may be subject to vesting periods, meaning you need to stay with the company for a certain duration to fully own those contributions. If you leave before this period, you might not get the full benefit. Employer contributions are typically invested in a group plan, limiting your control over investment choices. This may not align with your personal investment strategy. What to do? Assess your financial goals. Consider your short-term and long-term financial goals. If employer contributions align with your retirement plans, it's generally a good idea to accept them. Understand vesting periods. Be aware of any vesting periods attached to employer contributions. If you plan to stay with the company for the required duration, this might not be a significant concern. Diversify investments. If the employer's investment choices are limited, consider diversifying your investments by having additional RRSP or other retirement accounts. Consult a financial advisor. Seek advice from a financial advisor who can help you evaluate the pros and cons based on your unique situation and financial goals. In conclusion, accepting employer RRSP contributions can be a valuable addition to your retirement strategy. Evaluate the terms, consider your goals, and make informed decisions to maximize your financial well-being. That's a wrap on this video. Thank you for watching. If you found it valuable, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. We hope to see you in the next one. Till then, stay motivated, stay wealthy,
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.